and fragrant. Who doesn't love mala glow? Instead of stir-frying, why not learn to make it with a rice cooker like I do?
Once you've mastered this rice cooker recipe, you could easily make it every day. Just mix it up a bit, then sit back and wait to eat. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. That's right, just toss in whatever ingredients you like. The charm of this dish lies in its flexibility and simplicity. As my regular viewers know, I always love adding some chopped Sichuan jikai to my spicy recipes for an extra flavor boost. Slice the dried tofu into thin pieces or strips to whichever texture you prefer and set them aside for later. Peel and slice the lotus root, then set aside. Keep the slices moderately thick to thin and you'll lose that satisfying crunchy texture. If the lotus root is cut to thick, it will turn out firm and chewy, making it harder to absorb the flavors of the spicy sauce. The texture may feel uneven when eaten with other tender ingredients. For best results, slice it thinly or into small chunks to allow even cooking and better flavor infusion. Cut the fried tofu puffs into small pieces, shape them however you like, and set aside. Preheat the rice cooker. Then add cooking oil and saute the Sichuan peppercorns and dried chilies until fragrant. Next, stir in the spicy sauce and continue cooking to release its aroma. Sichuan peppercorns provide the characteristic numbing sensation and woody aroma, forming the core of the numbing flavor. Green Sichuan peppercorns contribute a sharper, more refreshing numbing note with a hint of citrusy fragrance, adding complexity to the mala profile. Together, they create a rich, layered, and deeply memorable aromatic foundation for the spicy hot pot. Once the ingredients are evenly coated with the sauce, add about a small bowl of water, just enough to create a simmering base without making it too soupy. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. You can add salt, mushroom powder, or a splash of soy sauce as you like. Press the cook button, and you can leave the rest to the rice cooker. It'll handle the cooking from here. Simple as that, and a fragrant, hearty pot of spicy mala stew is ready to enjoy. You can open the lid occasionally during the cooking process and give everything a gentle stir to make sure all the ingredients are evenly soaked and absorbing the flavorful sauce. That's a great tip. Turning off the heat once you smell the aroma and see steam rising helps prevent the ingredients from overcooking and keeps their natural texture intact. Perfect for retaining that fresh, crisp bite. Dry tofu with a firm, porous texture. It fully absorbs the spicy braising sauce, becoming rich with savory and mildly spicy broth. As you chew, the bean fragrance blends with the sauce, leaving a satisfying aftertaste that deepens with each bite. Lotus root crisp yet tender with a soft, starchy undertone. Its holes are saturated with rich mala flavor. The texture is distinctly layered, soft on the outside, crunchy inside, refreshing and balancing the richness of the dish. Fried bean curd, light and spongy in texture. They soak up the sauce like a sponge, offering a soft bite with a slight chewiness. The bean aroma merges with the spicy mala notes, creating a savory, mildly spicy, and juicy experience. Button mushrooms are smooth and tender, while the gills soak up the braising liquid, releasing a burst of rich mala aroma when bitten. Their plump, springy texture carries a subtle earthy fragrance that harmonizes with the savory sauce. Sweet and crisp kernels coated in mala sauce create a delightful sweet and spicy blend. Each plump, juicy kernel bursts with natural sweetness when bitten, perfectly balancing the heat of the dish. Sichuan and green peppercorns stimulate appetite and aid digestion. Their pungent, numbing aroma excites the taste buds while cutting through greasiness. They add multi-dimensional flavor to dishes. Sichuan peppercorns impart a woody fragrance and long-lasting numbness, while green peppercorns deliver a sharper, fresher numbing sensation with citrus undertones. Combined, they also help warm the body and dispel cold, making them ideal for balancing rich, oily, or raw-cold ingredients. Dried tofu is rich in high-quality plant-based protein and calcium, making it an excellent nutritional source for vegetarians. It contains active components like soy isoflavones, which help regulate physiological functions. Additionally, it is low in fat and suitable as part of a daily healthy diet. Mushrooms are rich in dietary fiber and various trace minerals, low in calories, and help boost immunity. Corn, on the other hand, is abundant in lutein and dietary fiber, supporting good health and vision protection. Consuming them together provides balanced nutrition for your daily diet, combining both flavor and wellness benefits. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.